Back to the ball game, ECP, Polo Basketball. Shot out there, captain, Bong Yao. Number 88, Kian. Bawa ng bola. Last touch, Yunus. Ashton Rodriguez naman. Paling kay Rodriguez. Number 89, De La Santos, 41 shot clock. Inside, back to De La Santos. Then on the shot clock. Four shot. One by Control. And we are throwing the ball. And swing in his now. He start on the inside ball. Rodriguez. 14 on the shot clock and a drop to Domundo. Spin. Ashton Rodriguez. Short. De La Santos. Take the ball 49. Inside, Gian Bruce. On the shot clock. 8 minutes, 10 on the shot clock. Rodriguez. 5 seconds to shoot. De La Santos. minutes and 35. 15 on the shot clock. Monar. Offensive rebound. Sa ilalim ni Sir Islamo. Kick out to Monar. 10 on the shot clock. Rodriguez. Shot clock winding down. 5 seconds. Nakalusot si Monar. 2 points para kay Monar. 54 Denver. Rubendas to Monar. 15 on the shot clock. Third over, deflected. Yung Monar, punta kay Mr. Lamar. Ipapabalik kay Monar. Step back. 3-point shot. Meron number 4, Mr. Lamar. Warning for penalty. Second personal. On Mr. Lamar. Warning for penalty na. Ang pagkaya nanas. Second try, ready number. Del Santos. 6 minutes and 47. 56-54. Banyas, Balonia, 14 on the shot clock. Bounce pass in the corner, Aston Rubenlos. And a traveling direction. Mr. Listano. Ready the ball by Kiko Palalia. Rodriguez fighting Palalia, 15 on the shot clock. Using his swing, Kiko Palalia. Master Rodriguez, stop, pull up, punch shot is good.
Paul na naman si Basi.
Jacob Palalia, 15 on the shot clock. Bounce pass playing with Banes in the corner short. 10 on the shot clock. Rodriguez and a reason foul. Number 7, Eugene Peña. 7 personal foul, Eugene Peña. First team foul ang ECP Puno-Puno. Jacob Palalia, 10 on the shot clock. Warriors, 15 on the shot clock. Incoming foul. Pass. Itabag ang bola. Pasa kay Williams. Astro Williams! Foul. Foul committed on number 22 sa Romanos. Christian. Second personal foul, Mr. Romanov. And 17 from ACB Bobo. Pinagkuhan mo na, may bigyan sa mga sa Romanov. 4 minutes and 20 to play, third quarter. Shooting two, Maxim Villas. 60-59. And some drive heading somewhere. Lawas ng isa sa ating shot clock. 60-59. Isang puntos na lamang si Pedro Boro. Thank you, Omar. Let's go now. Kick out Tamaria. Kick out Lawas Basilan. Ashton Villas, 40 on the shot clock. 1-2 cross. Kick out Tamaria. 10 on the shot clock. Let's go now. Adrian Reyes, first one. Brown, lead at hard. In the corner, number 25. Daniel Nunes, 3 minutes and 29 seconds. 60